Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the OMNI Academy and Consulting. I am Uzair Ahmed, and today's my topic is Siebel CRM Service Request Complaint Organization. I have already created a new field, a new drop-down field, uh, which I am going to show you. Let's go to the application and let's have a quick review of the field. So start with the login. Login with your user ID and password. Go to the services, all services. So let's create a new SR. Press the add button. This is the new field which I have created. This is the drop down field. Now you can see if I am clicking on this field, it doesn't show any values because its parent value type is potential complaint. When I select potential complaint here, then the values of this field will appear. Let's select the potential complaint and area. Now you can see that the values are available now, and you can select anyone which you want. Select all services and save. If I change the type, now you can see the values automatically disable. I select again potential component and all services. This field is also available on the OMNI. Let's see. I am changing the type from here, and you can see the field is disabled now. I am Uzair Ahmed, and thank you for joining us today.